truck ain't gonna do nothing but get older and depreciate, and the engine, you can't help the wear and tear on the engine, so, I mean...
Well, the truck gets depreciated if you're a taxman over the length of the contract, you know, they say it's worth $60,000, then
Come here, Grim.
5 years, that's what it depreciates. If it goes, it doesn't matter how many miles, that's what they do. And then if you sell it, then the depreciation changes and all that, you know, but, yeah, no, man, they gotta make money. I just want to tell everybody, I've never bought a truck like this before.
Yeah.
No. You're, hold this for me for a minute. Do not
Play
stop
with
it.
him on the floor. Call him and play with him on the floor.
But I don't know if he likes the name Grim.
He likes it. Call him. I'm gonna hold this and watch her play.
Grim!
Lay on the floor, Rory.
Grim! Grim! Come here, Grim! Ah! Grim! Come here, Grim! 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 Grim!
Get him. Get him, Max.
Come get me, Grim! Grim! Grim, run! Run, Grim!
Get him, Max.
Max is just jealous, Mom.
Max is just playing.
No, last time he was trying to bite him. Hurt me, Mom?
That's how they play, Rory.
Well, what if he accidentally hurts
He's
him?
not gonna hurt him.
Grim! Mom, did you watch that Vines video? Mom, did you watch that Vines video where the cat...
It's all right, Toby.
Ah,
It's all right, Toby.
ah.
Mm-hmm.
Toby's scared. Mom, look. Mom, look. Mom, look. Mom, look. Mom, look. Toby's saying, Mom, look.
Watch out, Liv.
Mommy, listen. I bet Toby's saying, what are they doing? And he said, I'm about to go over there. He doesn't like it. Let me see it. And I
No,
want
no.
to see. Grim. That way, Ma. Grim.
Watch out, Rory. Get a nail in your eye.
Why do they have to play like this? Oh!
Rory, get her, baby. You're interrupting him. Get him. Get him, Max.
Let me see the camera, Mom. I'm gonna do it. Mom, can I see the camera?
You look like hide and seek.
Did he just kill him?
Do they play freeze tag or tag? Or Max Mountain. He felt Max and played hide and seek.
Mom, that dog's young, right?
I don't know, baby.
Max is definitely older than
Oh,
him.
they're kissing. Hurry up. Don't beat him. Grim, run. Run like your mother made you. Run. Run for your life, Grim. If you know it's right, run. Grim, run.
Hey, listen!
Get them. Where are they?
Hey, you.
Dogs are playful.
Dogs are not painful.
They're playful, so are cats. I think Grim should have a girlfriend.
No.
But he needs a girlfriend.
He needs a home.
He needs a home, which I'm his home. Come here, Mom.
I'm gonna do more.
Because he's my responsibility. You hear me? Come here, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
and he has a home.
Where's the little dog at? Go get him, Max.
Max isn't saying his name.
Toby. Toby.
Press the volume button.
Tobes.
Mom, press the volume button to zoom in.
Toby.
Mom,
What are you doing?
Mom, you can zoom in on him.
I don't want to zoom in.
Alligator.
That's awesome, Olivia.
An alligator?
Shut up. Just shut up.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh, come on, this is the 5th time my pants is unbuckled. No, don't eat that, Penny.
You done, Toby? Get your ass off my furniture.
Mom.
No. No.
When he's more house trained.
No.
Oh, but
Toby's the only king that can get on the sofa.
Toby, no.